What is, what is up, YouTube? We back with another banger, man. Today we on the 2K. As you can see, I don't have a mic on my Xbox yet, and you're wondering how is this nigga playing 2K without his mic? I ain't buy a mic, okay? I ain't buy a mic. I'm not on my TV. I'm on my monitor, okay? I connected my Xbox to my monitor, and I just, you know what I'm saying? So that's why like the color looks different, but I can stream through YouTube too. Okay. But today, today, it haven't made a build video in a while. Let's run it up. Okay. So the first build, if you're a good, shooter without actually having to have good shooting, this build is most definitely for you. You're like me. This build is right here. So you want to go to all speed pot chart, alright? Max out these physicals, okay? Hold up. No, I don't think I did that. Alright, I want you to max out the shooting too. Okay, balance out the badges. Okay, so for the playmaking, I think I had 17. And we need interior defense, all this. You could take down your steal for your rebounding. That's your choice, okay? Some people do their build their own way. This is a rebounding build, and I do want rebounding on it. So I'm not gonna put steal. I don't really reach like that, but it's on my main player for some reason. But it don't matter what you do. I would probably doing something bigger because I had it on slight, and I had to put some weight on him for strength. And dude didn't look too well, but you know what I'm saying. I got used to it, but probably like built or barely, but I'm gonna go built. Okay, so you want to make him 6'8". I'm gonna make him 255, just for that 80 interior and 70 strength. Or you could like put it here for that 70 lateral. So here, you want to make his arm short. Now he looks fat like that, so I'm finna lead away actually. So right here, you have a build that get contact dunks and takeover. You got a build that gets contact dunks at 99 overall. You got a build that can shoot if you know how to shoot. A build that can dribble. He can most definitely dribble. Don't let that 72 ball handle confuse you. And he can play defense. Now, I chose playmaker takeover. Slash and take. I'm gonna tell you this right now. Slash and takeover will be kind of lit on this build. I'm not finna count. But I like playmaker takeover. So I mean, it don't matter. We gon' just go with Slasher, but I suggest going with that nigga right here. The fuck, nigga? We gonna act like that's the build. So this is the build right here. Slash building. So next build. These are really the only couple of builds I suggest for winning wise. If you want to have fun, 10K like I said 10K, 10 likes, and I'll show you a funner build video. This is for if you want to win. So like a shooting guard, no matter the hand, no matter the jersey number. I'm just putting 3 because that's my favorite number. If you want to go yellow and green pie chart, yeah, off speed. Already know. Now, this is an updated version. This is Cheese Alcoholics updated version. I suggest going with this version, alright? I'm gonna show y'all why. I think, yeah. I swear there was more to this shit, bro. I think that was it, yeah. So, you want to do that. Slight 6'4", and yeah, like all the way down. Now I'm gonna tell y'all why I had it finishing. I'm finishing badges, bro. They gonna help. They gonna help. I'm gonna show you niggas. They gonna help, bro. They gonna help. This build is a pretty good build. Shock takeover all the way. Either slashing or shock takeover every single time. All right, now I'm gonna show you what badges we're gonna do, especially for this build. Playmaking glass, playmaking glass will be harder, so I'm gonna do that next. But these two builds I recommend for winning. You can run these two builds on the tools core. Like if you wanna run a good lineup with your friend, bro. Hey, it's it right here. So I just do that. You can take away contact and do slithery. It don't matter. So right here, we gon' do this. Oh no, I'm tripping. Now on my guard, I have a couple of more shooting badges, but that was for the sacrifice of my finishing. Though you don't need those extra shooting badges, but it is really useful. So if you are more of a calm player, this is all you need. That's what I'm saying. Like, this is for winning. You know what I'm saying? 3, 7, 6, 5, 4. That's what I run. Do I have? I think I do. I run bronze unpluckable with that too. And for defense, I have 6. I think you're supposed to have more in this build. I think they patched it, but I'll usually run clamps with bronze intimidator and silver pick dodger, but you can run bronze too. Now jump shots for this: Dwayne Wade and any other mix, normal Dwayne Wade, jump shot 98 with any mix, normal 98 if you like that, 38, but I wouldn't suggest it. Yeah, 38 on here. Stephen Curry, Kobe, Klay Thompson. Those are some good jump shots. Not from the cow. Yeah. So yeah, that's the build, man. Yeah, it's a lit ass build. I'm not gonna get out. It's a lit ass build, bro. Now, just for the fuss, bro. I'm gonna make a build. All right, it's gonna be the fun type build. All right. It's gonna be like a slasher, okay? This one's gonna be hard, bro. Pause. But this one gonna be hard. I want to do a true slasher, but I don't know. I did have a true slasher. I put him all the way up to 70 and deleted him for no reason. I don't know what was thinking going on in my mind. But I'm not deleting no more builds on upgrade because it's dumb as fuck, bro. It's either gonna be defending, pure slashing, or pure defending. I don't know. Fuck. Okay. Defense on that. Fuck. Bruh. Bitch reading off on 63rd. Alright, let me see something. I'm maxing everything out for you, saying. That's 2 for 1. Think I might just choose you something. Dead rapper. Yeah, I knew it. Let's do it. This. for the actual stat. Let me see something, bro. I'll make him 6'8". Ain't no sense to upgrade my ball handler. I'm seeing that now. I mean, wait, just not all the way. We can lower it down some. I don't know. This bill look kind of nice. I don't know, man. I don't know if I should make it true slasher though, cause I'm finna like make it right now. So like, you know what I'm saying? I don't really know what to do. Let's see. We can just make him shooting guard and then make him the higher thing too. Let's see this. Oh, them stats are crazy. Shit. I'm digging that. Hold up. Oh, you gonna make him 6'7"? Let me see what's good with it. Hold on. Don't I get more badges? This is a defending. Shit is hard, bruh. Let me go back to him real quick. Let me see his stats one more time. I'm just a little bit worried about that defense, bro. We might need to we might need to remake this one. Okay, hold on. Probably do get more shooting badges though. Off in the cap. Or not shooting badges, whatever it is. Okay. So those stats are gonna be. I mean, cause nigga was 6'7". That's why. Ah, bruh. I hate this shit. Okay. Fucking hurt my mind and shit. Hell no, I'm not gonna be dribbling in this. Oh yes, I am. I'm tripping. It's not as much. Oh fuck it. Yeah, I'll take 6'7" over that anytime. I'm sorry, bruh. That's way better. Here's no capo. I was just shooting guns. I got bodies from way back. Four. Shit. All I need is quick first step. Oh fuck it. Hold up. Alright. 6, 7. Now we're gonna have him 80 strength. And then slasher. I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. Alright. So that seems like a perfect build. Go directly to the NBA. Yes, please. So still on my streaming or recording this through my PC. Tell me how y'all like it. It might be a little laggy or laggy sometimes, but like when I tell you, boy, when I tell you, nigga, it's lit, bro. Like last title, we blessed. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Where's the Clippers? I'm a lockdown, so that's exactly where I'm going. So this is our build. This build will be grinding once I finish grinding my playmaking glass cleaner. This is what his first stat upgrade gonna look like. It's not hard to shoot with low 3-pointer, by the way. I upgraded it to like a 42 and I was shooting greens from the corner, bro. Well, I had the same build. I was just trying to try it out. And like, bro, I don't know how, but I was going crazy, bro. I'm not gonna cap. I'm legit right now, bro. It's crazy. This will be the first step upgrade. What y'all think? Sorry for me, sorry. But yeah. Let's get a little wire block on fire. I'm boy. 100 shots from behind me. Yeah, but I'll go with that shit, bro. That look kinda cool enough to kill. So these are our badge upgrades, really. I'm gonna have 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. That's just guaranteed, and 4 here. I think that's 60 right there. Quick draw on silver, Ranger standing on gold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, hot zone hunter on silver. Now this, gold quick first step and tight handle. For this, yeah, I should already know what to do, but Hall of Fame clamps, Hall of Fame intimidator, golden pepper, whatever you want to call it. 11. Gold rebound chaser. And then Hall of Fame rim protector. That's 18. So those are the first two are builds if you want to win. This build can be used if you want to win, but you need it entirely good skill, and this is more like a fun type build. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this one, bro. Smash that like button and subscribe. Gee, we on the road to 500 subscribers. Really 100, but we gonna aim for 500 for now. So hope y'all enjoy this shit. Smash that like button, like I said, man. Please. And yeah, we got it, well.